Nepal, a country of Himalayas situated in South Asia, lies between China and India as a landlocked, having around 30 million of population. The weather and climate varies from hot summers to severe winters. The land starts from 70 meters from sea level in plain land and passes through hilly region to the world's highest point, Mount Everest. Nepal is a developing country with the agricultural economy. Farming is the main economic activity, followed by production, manufacturing, trade, and tourism. The main sources of foreign currency earnings are merchandise export, services, tourism, and remittance. Hinduism and Buddhism have the largest population. Lord Buddha from Nepal is known as the light of Asia. We have nature, culture, adventure, and pleasure. Nepal has a long cultural tradition of informal community-based mutual support as people felt their need of social cooperation. Popularly known as Dhikuti, saving of grain, and Parma, system of mutual help on labor. Many of these traditional systems of cooperation are still functioning in the rural areas of Nepal. Formally, the system of cooperative was adopted by the government of Nepal in 1958. The cooperative concept was to provide and systemize the credit fund to rehabilitate the natural disaster-affected people in Chitwan, known as the first formal cooperative in Nepal. The first Cooperative Act was enacted by the government in 1960 to support this sector. Beginning in the 1980s, a new generation of community-based savings and credit groups began to emerge in Nepal. In August 16, 1988, the Nepal Federation of Savings and Credit Cooperative Unions, NEFSCUN, was formed with the leadership of Mr. Bhojraj Khimire. Having vision of integrated and sustainable savings and credit cooperative societies in Nepal, provides various services to meet the goal of individual from the community-owned institutions. Lobbying and advocacy. As a members' association of financial cooperative, NEFSCUN regularly focusing into the policy lobbying and advocacy for the favorable growth of saving cooperatives. Sensitization the need of cooperation, financial participation, mutual help, and integration of community people into the cooperative systems are the main function and responsibility of NEFSCUN. Banking service. To maintain central fund, priority sector investment, and liquidity of members, NEFSCUN is offering competitive financial services to promote members' business, productive innovation, and for the sustainable growth of the cooperatives. Training and education. Capacity building, institutional development, quality assurance, and risk-based supervision are the key steps initiated and adopted to maintain the discipline among members. To maintain the quality and protect the image, NEFSCUN provides training and education to more than 10,000 cooperative leaders and managements every year. Quality assurance tools. To protect members' investment into the financial cooperatives, NEFSCUN is involving intensively to monitoring their governance, business, processes, and learning to assure as sustainable financial solution in the communities. Access is an Asian standard. Probation, a national standard. and risk-based supervision of quality in operation are the assuring tools, and branding have been adopted since 2006. Microfinance and agri-finance. Most of the cooperative members are agricultural-based. They need financial support to accelerate their production by using different skills, techniques, and adoption of latest technology to create local employment. Women members and their families are more focused in this program to uplift their leadership and economic standard of living.
सजिलै भयो त्यति गाह्रो छैन सजिलै दिनुभयो त्यो भाइहरुले चिनेको नातो पनि पर्यो अनि नजिक पनि पर्यो हामीलाई सजिलै दिनुभयो पहिला कति 4-5 लाख लिएको अनि पछि थप्दै लिँदाखेरि हामीलाई राम्रै भयो.
Financial literacy. Financial literacy is one of the most effective tools to promote savings among the community people. Management of money for their secure future creates wealth among the members. Technological support. Technology enhances the operational efficiency. Nefskun is promoting relevant technologies and tools to get results for the better. Web-based core banking system, payment platform, and the members' information system are the technologies applied. Clean energy financing. Nefskun is promoting clean energy financing facilities to the members to install alternative and solar energy to protect the environment and to overcome the problem of power cuts in Nepal. Integration. Financial cooperatives are better examples within the networks in the sharing and pooling of resources, standardization in operation, contractual solidarity, and good governance. Nefskun is integrating all the members into one technology, one process, and one image. Nefskun has collaborative experiences with the national and international members' networks. Cooperative sector playing vital role to build the communities, binding more than 5 million of people and creating jobs for more than 60,000 people with entrepreneurial and mutual help mindset. Exclusive contributions to cover the people into a unity. Cooperatives are the means of improving the lives of people.